Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. So it's Sunday and my hubby decided to take me to Springfield. My birthday is in the middle of the week, so he decided let's go get out of the house because the week is too full of activities for my son and my husband who works. So I decided, okay, let's go. So he took me to Michael's to help celebrate my birthday, and they also had a sale. So I can't tell you what's on clearance, what's on sale, whatever. It's just going on this weekend. So go check out Michael's. That's all I can say. I don't go there enough. I go there once in a blue moon, and this was one of those days. So I believe the Halloween paper crafts were all like 40% off. I'm going to try and tell you what I do remember. So the Halloween was about 40% off, and I got this little pack. These are at the end caps. It's puffy stickers. It's originally $3. And this is Recollections Halloween, the little witch's legs. So I got one pack of those. I thought this was adorable. They're all in like costume or Halloween something. Look at this unicorn. Beautiful. 6 pieces. Compared to this one, this is 14, this is 6. And then I found these. This was the last one on the end cap, and I grabbed it. So this is 8 black glittered spiders. If I could find more, I would get them. If they go on clearance, if they have them, I will get them too. I also found the hobby holster, and originally it was $9.99, and I got it for $3.97. And I don't remember who I saw using this, but it's the silicone holster. It helps with like keeping your stuff. Let me just adjust your camera a little bit. So there's nothing sticky on it. It's just the material, the silicone material, and it stays. It just hangs there, and I could put my crafting things in there. Well, maybe not this gigantic scissors, but you know, just to help clean up the table a little bit. So let me get you guys back to where I had you. So I would have that there. I thought that was an amazing deal. If I could find the different sizes, I would get them. This one, I've seen everybody here on YouTube using this Tombow liquid glue. I'm gonna give it a try. I've never used it before. I also had, there was the pumpkin sale going on at Michael's. So anything like fall, Halloween, they had sale prices. I think it was 45% off. I might be wrong, but anyway, this was originally $7, and I only paid like $3 something for it, something like that. This one, same thing. This was originally $10, and I paid less than that. So the glitter was on sale. Glitter and embossing powder and ink. They were also 40% off. And I got this little shaker, the Recollections diamond shaped glitter. So glitter, sequins, embossing powder, stuff like that was on sale. And they have red, gold, silver, like a black, iridescent, and a blue. I like that, especially with all the shakers I'm trying to make. Not that I'm a pro, but yeah. And then I got this one also from Recollections, and this has like little heart shape. I don't know if you guys can see that. Little hearts. And then we have little blue stars. Come on, doesn't want to focus. And we have yellow stars. Some are solid stars, and some are cut out stars. Yellow. And then, whoops, we have pink hearts. And these are just solid pink hearts. And then we have these translucent, like chartreuse stars. And we have pink, or not pink, peach translucent hearts also. Guys, I don't know if you guys can even see those, but they're super tiny, teeny tiny, and these are the diamond shape. Very cute. I believe they were originally $7. Yeah, and I got half off of that. In the $2 bin area. I don't know how much they were because there was no price, but I got these. I got light pink, and I got like a little darker shades of pink. So you see that this is not even the same as the other one. And then I grabbed one blue. So I got these 3 packs. I also got the $1.50 40 count of these gems. And then I got the black. These are also in the $2, $3 bin area. I believe these were $2. And so I got pink and I got a light blue. I'm keeping the pink and this is going into my giveaway, and so are a few of these other items. So my husband also went shopping in Michael's, and he bought this little car for himself, and this is a Panamera. And yes, he was serious. He wanted this car. So there's his little Panamera for his little trophy collection, I guess. I don't know. It's his goal. He wants a Panamera for a car one day soon. Dream car is what it is. So he picked up these 2 candles. I'm 45. He does not bake, so he figured he'll pick up the candles there. He picked up the pack of happy birthday candles, and he got a bunch of roses. So cute, my man. He is so sweet. So yes, that is what I got from Michael's. Oh, and because the Halloween were on sale, my son picked up something also, and it's those gigantic spiders with the wired arms that you can pose and all that stuff. So he has that already out somewhere playing with it. So I said, why do you want that thing, boy? He goes, so I could scare people. I was like, okay, whatever. Dad said you could have it. Go for it. And that is it, guys, for the Michaels. I will come back with the second video and share with you my Tuesday morning, because it is way out there, these 2 stores, for me to get anywhere. I have to get somebody with me. So there you go. He agreed to take me. So come back for Tuesday morning haul. Bye.